welcome. It's great to be here also. So we have two important things happening this week. We have Book Week, we have the Anti-Bullying Week. So bullies are people who think they're strong, but in all actuality they are weak. Sometimes they act very mad, but probably deep down inside they're sad. And they do these things, they express negative things, thinking they're big and they're bad, but actually they have other things going on. So that's why this week the social domain has this anti-bullying week where information will be given, what and how and when, and how to look for it, and what should we do to prevent it. At the end of the day, we should treat others the way we would want them to treat us. So we should also treat others the way we would want others to treat ourselves. For the book week, books can take us many different places. I know many people like to play with these things, thinking that we can watch TikTok, YouTube, all those things. But at the same time, a book can take us many places. And what I said last year, and almost every year, it's not only important just to read, but also to understand, to comprehend what you're reading. Because reading is knowledge, reading is power. So with that, I officially open Book Week and the Anti-Bullying Week, and I wish you a pleasant week. Thank you.